Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do text-to-speech on TikTok. Let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Here, tap on plus icon. Now record a new video. Once you're done, tap on this tick icon. Now tap on this text icon. Type whatever text you want to add on your video. Then add another sentence by the same process. After that, tap on your added text. You can see the option of text-to-speech. Tap to select this option. You see that your text has been converted into speech. Do the same for other added text as well. After that, tap to set the duration of the text. Now make the duration of the second speech shorter, so they will not be played at once. This is how your final video will look like. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.